Yeah, that is cool. So in the left channel we have this percussion tunnel thing, and then in the right channel we have this response from the vocal plug. Let's maybe loop this. I mean warp. Oh, it's still fast. Okay. No, okay, now it's fine. It's fine. So now we can take this and put it in the intro section. Okay, so let me write these arpeggios by myself. Yeah, I want to keep the tempo. And now we can put these vocal chops pitched 2 octaves down. I know it sounds very bad. Let's automate this. And there'll be a transition to the drop here. I mean, to the build up. And I can actually put this every time. We can put a respace here. There. So I do made some respace, but I can show you how to make it. So it's really simple. You just make more voices on a saw, and you actually can add another layer of the saw wave. You can add some voices to it, and you basically add a low pass filter onto it. Let me make it longer. Maybe some sub bass to it. I'm gonna, on the master, I'm gonna apply utility to bring the bass to mono. I usually do like 125 Hz. Yeah, that's mono right now. Yeah, I'm gonna pick my different bass. Oh, it can actually be the build-up. Okay, so I thought about something. Wait, what was that? Damn it, I forgot. Jeez, I hate when it happens. I have a really cool idea and then I forgot this. Oh, I know. I was going to put some vocals here actually.
Can't get it off my mind.
Okay.
Okay. I like this kind of vocals. Okay, so what key are we in? Oh, F sharp major, F sharp major. But this is in minor. Maybe we'll pitch it somehow and to make it not minor but major.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Wait, this is really.
Can you see it?
Okay.
What about this? Oh, I have to align this manually. Like, oh wait. Okay, and then it repeats like that. What? Should be here. Yeah, maybe some ping pong delay, obviously some EQ and some reverb.